have to confess something to you.
What?
I ordered the SoulCycle bike. SoulCycle Variis at-home bike. At-home fitness is the new craze, and I decided to order the SoulCycle Variis. I need to figure out how to pronounce it. Bike, and they send you two things. So first, you get a box of shipments that I don't have them there yet. You get 3 boxes, which I received. Classic kit. I got the classic kit right here. Pop. They're supposed to be delivering between 2 to 6 p.m. It's about 4:15, so I have about an hour, 45 minutes, and I'll show you what it's like to get the delivery of the bike, the setup, and that entire experience. And you'll see that right here in this channel, Shervin Shares. Please make sure to like and subscribe. I'll do a review on it after I've ridden it for a couple of weeks, so you'll be able to see that review. So if you want to see that, subscribe down below.
Bro, shit is back in your tape deck. Yeah, don't wreck. Head banging in the Tesla, that's breakneck. On the road, fucking up, pretty fat women and fat checks, nigga. Last test, is it true that you ain't fucking with Taz? Yes. Turn up the bass, now go. I need the horse to hear my flow. Bitch act like you know. 1, 2, 3, we been here before. Damn, how it gets so dark. Niggas act dumb when you get too smart. Getting high in the damn airport. Contact high for my damn escort. Sun, rain, don't come cheap, so I need change. Break the chains. Phoenix, I rise out of these flames. No more games. Beauty is pain, so I take aim. We ain't the same.
But let's continue with the unboxing. Here are the 2 boxes that I received, as well as this box right here. In this box, we have essentially a yoga mat. It smells like fresh mat. Literally, it looks like a Lululemon yoga mat, but it says on SoulCycle. How exciting! The bike will typically go on top of this to minimize noise. It smells like fresh tires. Next, we got another one of these. We have 2 of these same size boxes. Inside of this box, we got a shoe. Here are the shoes, voila! I have wider feet, and typically cycling shoes that I will rent at SoulCycle can kind of hurt my feet. But if you look at my foot, it's rather wide, and I'm starting to have a little bit of a bunion right here on the side. So I just want to make sure that my foot, you know, those are nice feet. Cycling shoes, I didn't want cycling shoes that would worsen my foot. Hello?
Hello, this is Mario with JB Hunt. We have a bicycle for you though, and we are about 10 minutes out.
Finish unboxing the stuff. Got a size larger, hoping that this would not impact my feet as much. These were 47, these are the SoulCycle shoes, size 47. As you can tell, it's not super wide, and it comes with the Delta cleats. And we'll try these on and let you know on the first ride how it feels. Also in this box, we have the Jaybird headphones. I'm so stoked for these. These are the SoulCycle Jaybird headphones. Special edition, as you can tell right there. This is a one-of-a-kind true wireless sport headphones. We have the SoulCycle candle in this plastic bag right here. So let's open this sucker up. But this is like a $45 candle, I think. But when you buy the kit is actually cheaper than the shoes, and you get a whole bunch of extra stuff. And I wanted you to see what it looks like. So this is the candle. My roommate loves candles, so I will have him set it up. Wow, it actually smells really good. Now you want the full SoulCycle experience, so you get the candle to feel like you are at SoulCycle. Things in this box, which are the SPD cleats, I think. These are the Delta SPD cleats. And these go on the bottom of my shoes, which then will go into the actual bike. And then finally, an Allen wrench, I assume, to install that, and socks, SoulCycle socks. I'll just wear these when I'm walking out. I'm about 11 and a half. Here we go, they're the socks. SoulCycle, baby. So those are the socks. Pull this stuff out of the shoes. These are the size 47 shoes. I don't know if you can see right inside there. And then on the bottom, we gotta put these little cleats on. And let's do that right now. Just like that, it is now installed. Pull up for quick release, push in to engage, and then turn to tight. Oh, that's neat. So these are a little bit bigger, which is good. There's also a Peloton at work, so I'll do a SoulCycle Variis versus Peloton comparison video. If you want to see that, subscribe. Got everything you need. Okay, these are the 5-pound weights we have. And these things are non-returnable, just heads up. There is a return policy, 30 days, but you cannot return this box that I'm just unpacking, but you can return the bike. Voila, we'll toss that in. and out of these. Oh shit, they're only 5 pounds. I could have really hurt myself. These are the SoulCycle 5-pound weights. I went with the heaviest ones and they look really nice. You know, do a little bit of work here. They are pretty. Also, if you are not subscribed to the channel, like what are you doing? Look at all of these packages. I will be unboxing all of these and showing you what they're like. Cut to the delivery guy. Wear a freaking mask. What are you thinking? Sue me. How's it going?
Why is that for you?
Yeah, it's Shervin, right?
Not too bad, man. At least it's nothing, you know. We can with these straps. Refrigerator's about 400 pounds, man. All right. Where it's going to?
That's perfect.
That's perfect.
Because I can move it, right? I just lift it
See
and
the
roll
wheels right
it.
there? You just
Okay.
put it up from here, though.
You can move it,
You can
and
move it,
just
yeah.
like that. The SoulCycle bike is getting delivered right now. It's gonna get set up with the screen, and then that is it. Let's see what it looks like. And it's officially turning on. All right, we did it. This is the official SoulCycle bike delivery. I'm gonna take my mask off now that they are gone. And now we're gonna set it up real quick. Let's show you what it looks like. This is cool. That's the sound it makes connecting to my 5 gigahertz network. I don't know if that matters to you, but it's a 5 gigahertz. Hardware setup. Power meter. Okay, so what are we doing? Moving the pedals. Carefully advanced pedal. Oh, there we go. Power meter's connected. Next. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, stop them. Don't walk in front of that. Ouch. Okay, make sure your headphones. Oh, all right. Well, we'll have to do the headphone unboxing right now. These are the Jaybird Vista SoulCycle Special Edition headphones. So cool. We got the bike in the background. ASMR. Black box. It opens. Accessories inside, I assume it's the charger. Oh, and like the earbud pieces are, oh, USB-C! SoulCycle Jaybird Vista collaboration headphones. It's got USB-C, finally a product that has USB-C. Thank you so much SoulCycle and Jaybird for using USB-C in your charging case. That is a game changer. Kudos to you. I might just keep this now just because of that. Inside of the baggie you have regular earpieces as well as the winged earpieces depending on which style you prefer. The A to USB-C, which is wonderful. Watch this. This is gorgeous. Here we go. All right, little charging LED right there. Gorgeous, beautiful. Open that bad boy up. I'm assuming that button is a pairing button. Okay, now the light is blinking. So I'm gonna presume that it's gonna show up right here. How do they look? They're pretty noise canceling because they kind of just go into my ears. I wonder if they don't have any charge. So account sign in is next. Oh, how convenient. They didn't fall. Authorize and continue linking. All right, terms and conditions. So we'll walk through how to set it up. I don't know if you really want to watch this. I bet this is like online somewhere. Oh, there's the volume. Okay, so this is what the bike looks like. We've got a left to right swipe with some classes and the times. You can swipe down. How to do things. The ramp up series. Featured rides. Oh, see, like this thing did not come all the way off. Got it. So the touchscreen seems to be pretty responsive. Learn the positions. Now we have the explore page, level, introductory to advanced, the different instructors on here, decent amount. We have music, the types of music, and the length. So I'm gonna do a 20-minute class, done. And let's just do one like a sprint, not a minute. Actually, let's do music, dance. That one looks interesting. Then we have my profile. We got tutorials, support, safety instructions, all that. But I think under the Explore tab, it saved it. Perfect. I'm gonna do this one. Fast paced, cool. Gives you the music names, similar to Peloton. Feels tight enough. Let's ride, baby. There's a countdown. I don't know if you can see this right here.
All right, you guys, let's get started, okay?
You lame, I reign. Say what, say what? I reign. Let's go, I reign. I reign. We ain't the same. You lame, I reign. No pressure, no pressure. Just pleasure, just pleasure. This all the thanks I get. This all the thanks I get. Need pressure, need pressure. Rebirth, cut the tether. This all the thanks I get. This all the thanks I get. Separation. Me and my ex still fucking, that's reparations. I think we need to make a whole new declaration. Make every cop killing come with a side of bacon. Nightmares of me trying to wake him. I wonder if King had that kind of patience.
How'd you get up here?
Impressions, I'm on my first ride right now. There's a lot of dancing, obviously. SoulCycle is all about the dips, the sit backs, the push-ups. A lot of that's happening right now. So a little bit much. There's no heart rate monitor, which kind of sucks. And there's no resistance, so I don't know how much I've actually turned this, but that's kind of the SoulCycle way. They do give you RPMs, watts, and miles, and they show someone and how they're biking. Oh my God, I'm out of breath. So you can get it. And the speakers, pretty loud. But yeah, so far the bike feels high quality. Everything is good. I couldn't adjust the seat back far enough for me because they said do a hand. But hey, what you gonna do? But so far, it's been fun, and it's a good workout. I'm doing a 20-minute ride. There are no 15 minutes, 20 minute, 30, and 45. So not a lot of options, and 60, so 4 options. Whereas Peloton, you get a lot more. Something just happens, cool down time. But there's just less numbers based, more inspiration based. And the video quality is next level. It definitely feels totally different than a Peloton class because it looks like you're watching a movie, which is insane. And then I can swipe the stats on and off my screen. I can swipe the person that's demoing off the screen and only watch the movie. It really feels like a movie. Yeah, I'm gonna keep hiking now. It tells me my stats, the songs, and I can add these. What a class. What a class. It was only 20 minutes, but I'm dead. I think it finished, but it hasn't finished. It's saying great ride. So I'm a bit confused right now. They're doing their high fives. The real question is there stretching at the end? No. It just ends, it looks like. SoulCycle wheel. And then I think I can add the full playlist to my Spotify or SoulCycle playlist. But I have to sign in. I'll do that later. I can give it a thumbs up. Great instructor. Submit. And then I hit done. That's it. I don't know if they have live classes. I can bookmark this class. First one. And that's about it. This is the list of classes. I don't think it's super extensive because when you filter, there's probably like 7 to 15 right now. But I know they're adding a lot more. And that was the first ride. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and I'm gonna do a Peloton versus SoulCycle video. So check that out. Subscribe and we'll post that. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace. Also, is this a good spot or what?
What do you mean that is?
This is the SoulCycle bike.